Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Meredith, and today I have my October 2022 box to unbox with you, and this will be the Allure beauty box. So if you're interested in seeing what I got this month, stay tuned. This again is $23 per month if you're new to it, and it is a mix of full-size and sample-size products. I am an annual member. I pay for this with my own money, so $23 per month, but if you do a longer subscription, there will be a reduction in the per box price, but you do pay everything up front. That being said, I also have a link below. It'll get you $10 off your first box, and I think I do get a small commission if you do click that, but feel free to look around for better coupons and things, and I believe there might even be a coupon on the Allure Beauty Box website that you can take advantage of. So the other thing is there's also a cash back on Rakuten, so consider that as well. And if you do not have Rakuten yet, I do have a personal referral link below and I will get a small commission, but you get additional cash back by using my link. Going to jump in right away. I haven't opened it yet. I just got it from the post office. So I do apologize as well. I got my booster and my flu shot yesterday, so I'm a little bit out of it. So this is the box again. As always, they have the brochure on top here. So this one is the booklet. It has information, so I'll be reading from this. It'll also give you any coupon codes, that sort of thing in here. And then there's also this sort of member store info. So it looks like they have some kind of interesting collabs here. The Floral Street and Van Gogh Museum Fragrance and Home Collection, so they have that available if you are a member. You have to be a member through the Allure Beauty Box website, I'm pretty sure. Let me know if you're an Amazon member and you're able to get these store deals, because they also have these great deals too, including this one here. Actually, these two items are some of my favorite products I've gotten from the Allure Beauty Box. I haven't tried this one yet, but I have heard really, really good things about it. But those are really good prices, actually. So let me just jump in here to the booklet, and I'll start with the very first item. So I just tried to find a hydrating serum in my skincare tower, and I see that this is actually a hydrating serum. So I am excited because now I have a replacement. So I am able to now have a hydrating serum in my collection. So this is from Fleur and B, and this is the Just Do It Hydrating Serum. I'm going to pull it out of the package and then let you know. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks pretty thick in there, actually, when I'm looking through the amber bottle. It is a glass bottle with a dropper. If dewy skin is your thing, this product will be too, thanks to the impressive glow it imparts. Prickly pear seed oil and sea buckthorn oil instantly hydrate skin, a simple but wildly effective duo that leaves no trace of stickiness behind. So this again is full size, and this has a $34 value and is 1 ounce. And there is a coupon code, so go to fleurandb.com and enter Allure25 at checkout to get 25% off. And this is going to be valid from November 1st through January 31st, 2023. So I'm not going to open it just because, again, I just opened the hydrating serum, so this came at like a pretty good time in terms of my rotation, but I'm not going to open it right now. But it is cruelty-free, 100% vegan, 1% is given to charity. After cleansing, apply 2 to 3 drops onto your fingertips, then smooth onto the face, use in the morning and at night. This is made in the US if you're curious about that at all, and these are the ingredients for you. Hopefully that will be in focus. So yeah, very excited about that. Sorry, I just realized that my air purifier was on, so I turned it off, so it'll be hopefully a little bit quieter. So this is the Belief cream that they mentioned in the Fleur and B promo. So it's the Belief Aqua Bomb Brightening Vitamin C Cream. Skin is best when it's extra juicy, and that's exactly what you get from this gel cream. It's loaded with good stuff like radiance boosting vitamin C, moisture retaining hyaluronic acid, and soothing vitamin E to give you glassier skin that's bouncy with moisture. Formula is thicker than the average gel cream, so it feels decadent and hydrating on application, giving dry or tired skin much needed TLC. But it still massages easily into skin and wears comfortably under sunscreen and or makeup. So the full size is 1.69 ounces, and this one is 0.33 ounces, but the full size would be $43, and you can buy it at Sephora. So this is what it looks like here. I'm not going to open it because I have like 6 moisturizers open right now, so that's kind of extreme. So I'm going to not introduce any bacteria or anything into it by opening it up. I'm going to open the next item though. So this one I remember because I was kind of jazzed for it. So as always, I'm on the look for a nice new eye cream. So this is from Saturday Skin, and this is an eye cream. This is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. So let me pull it out of the box. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's like a matte plastic look here. It feels like a dream when applied to tired under eyes, and the buttery formula helps concealer or foundation wear more smoothly on top. The antioxidant vitamin C and niacinamide infused formula coddles the delicate eye area and helps it brighten it over time. Tap into your under eyes and over crow's feet with your pinky finger so you don't tug at the area's thin skin. So the full size is 0.5 ounces, so this will be the full size here, and it has a $32 $20 value, and there is a coupon code. So if you go to SaturdaySkin.com and enter Allure20 at checkout, you get 20% off your order, excluding value sets. And this one is good from October 1st, 2022 until December 1st, 2022. So you do have some time to use that coupon code. So again, this is Saturday Skin's proprietary blend here, the Cha 7 complex. So it does say dot in a C formation to the under eye, using a tapping motion for maximum absorption. So again, I'm very excited for this, and I just opened another eye cream yesterday, so not going to pop this one open quite yet. The next one here is, I'm not super interested myself, honestly, but I have heard like people really enjoy these things, but this is a sponsored product, so I'm not going to use it for the calculation of the box price actually, but this is from Viori. It's the Hidden Waterfall Shampoo and Conditioner Bars, and this is a sponsored product again. So it says, you think bars would have to sacrifice results in the pursuit of being eco-friendly, but this duo leaves hair surprisingly clean and conditioned without a single plastic bottle. The sweet musk scent is both fresh and comforting. Rub the shampoo bar in wet hands until it suds. After shampooing, smooth the conditioning bar right into wet hair from your roots to your ends. So it's $33 for the bundle, so it's kind of expensive actually, but there is a coupon code, so it's at Viori.com and enter Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off. And again, this is valid from October 1st through December 31st, 2022. So this is like a very musk would be definitely what I would describe this. It's a very, it tends to pull a little bit masculine. I don't know if it's necessarily a masculine scent, but it's not like a floral, fruity, sort of fresh scent. It's very musk. So I would say, yeah, I might not use this because I don't really care for shampoo bars. I have tried them in the past, but I would say that I'm probably going to give this to my dad, actually. He likes trying new shampoos. But this is, all Viori products are 100% vegan, pH balanced, and cruelty-free, as well as sustainably and ethically sourced, made without plastics, sulfates, parabens, or phthalates. Yeah, so that's the info. So I'm going to try to pop it open to show you what it looks like. So they do have both in here, the shampoo and the conditioner bar. I wonder if they're labeled. They are not labeled. I'm gonna have to research. One of these is shampoo and one of these is conditioner, so if you've opened this already, let me know. Is the wrapped one conditioner or the wrapped one shampoo? So this is what they look like. Yeah, they're very strongly scented. So I would say it's like very, very perfumed, like a musky perfume, but it's also like kind of sweet at the same time. It kind of smells like honey. It's pulling a little bit honey to me. So let me know if you've tried it, because I am kind of curious. I tried it like back in the day. I think it was Lush. Does Lush have a shampoo bar? I wasn't a huge fan, so let me know if the technology has changed since then. I think I tried it in like, I want to say about 10 years ago. So the next product is going to be full size. So this one we were able to choose. So every once in a while the Allure Beauty Box does let you choose something in the product, or in the box rather. So I was able to choose which color I wanted for this. So this is the True and Luscious Brow Definer, and this one is a pencil. So one side has a spoolie and the other side has the pencil. So it's wrapped, hold on. Okay, so this is what the pencil looks like. So it's a very sharp wooden pencil right now. Yeah, it smells even like a wooden pencil. I don't know why I smelled it. That was weird. But yeah, this is the True and Luscious Brow Definer Pencil. You can't beat a classic pencil for faking fuller brows, and this perfectly dry, perfectly pigmented formula is as believable as it is foolproof. It comes in a range of shades that work like magic on most brows. Use short, quick strokes to easily pass for brow hairs. Focus the most color on your arches, then tails, going easiest with the inner corners. I wonder if that's what I'm doing wrong with my eyebrows. I'm looking at them right now. A few passes of the spoolie blends the color with your own hairs. This has a $20 value, and you can use a coupon code, enter Allure at checkout, to receive 20% off your order October 1st through November 30th, 2022 at TrueLuscious.com. So I mean, this is a brow pencil, and I go through them pretty quickly because I overdraw in my brows. So I'm going to just kind of show you what this looks like, because I'm kind of curious if it is as stiff as it feels, because it doesn't feel like it's going to be especially creamy. Yeah, it's very pokey, I would say, but this was the darkest shade they had, so I'm kind of hoping that this one, it looks a little bit too red for me. I might have to figure out somebody who this can be used with. But yeah, I had to get the brunette shade because they didn't have a darker color when I was able to customize. So I chose brunette because the other one was blonde, and that one would not be a good fit. I know that much about my life to be true, is that blonde would not be the color to choose. So I mean, this is what it looks like here. I'm not going to open that spoolie, so I'll just use the one I have here. I don't know. it is what it is. Okay, the next item is from Sephora brand. So they have been putting Sephora brand items in here pretty often. So this is the Big By Definition Mascara. It's a volumizing mascara, tons of oomph, impressive definition, comes in a mighty tube without any unnecessary drama like clumps or smudging. Easy to maneuver brush, expertly coats with your shortest lashes. This has a $12 value, so I'm not sure if this is $12 value, so I'll look it up. Doesn't tell you what the full size is, but this looks like a mini to me, and $12 looks kind of expensive for a Sephora mini, but maybe that's my bias here. I have two final products, so hopefully I can do that because my camera says it's overheating. But this is the Donginbi Red Ginseng Daily Defense Essence EX. So it has a $66 value for 30 mls, and this one is 5 mls. There's a reason hydrating essences are so popular in Korea. They make skin brighter, dewier, and they layer seamlessly. Donginbi is as light as water and rich as in firming red ginseng for happy, hydrated, bouncy skin. So again, it says to layer it with your serum and your Belief cream. So I'm going to try to pop it open. So there is a coupon code for Amazon actually. So it's enter Allure DIB10 at checkout to receive 10% off your order through October 31st. So this is what it looks like here. So it's plastic and got a little pump action there. So I'm going to not open it because I did just open a bunch of serums as well. But actually this is an essence and I have like 6 essences open. I have 2 in my bathroom and then 4 over here. Yeah, so that's a little bit excessive. And the final product here is a sponsored product again, but this is from the Vasanti Brighten Up Exfoliator sponsored product. Slough away dullness, grime, and dead skin cells with the creamy just a little gritty treatment, and then try your best not to keep touching it over your face because it will be that soft. Over time it can help pores look smaller and lines fade. So 4.23 ounces is the full size and it has a $34 value. This one is not that big, so it says 0.71 ounces, so I'll put the math on the screen. And there is a coupon code, enter Allure20 at checkout at vasanticosmetics.com to get 25% off regularly priced items, one-time use, and cannot be used in conjunction with any other promotions or offers. I have heard really good things about this, so when I made my spoiler video I was like, I'm a little bit iffy about putting microcrystals on my face, but people said that this is like knock it out of the park sort of great product, so very excited to try this out. So that was the box this month. I actually think it was a pretty good box, for me at least. Let me know what you thought about your box. And actually I just see there is actually something else here. So there's another coupon in here from the Body Shop, so you can get 15% off any full-size product and use Allure 15 to get that off. And then there's the Edelweiss Intense Smoothing Cream Foil Pack. So that one I am not going to use in the calculation of the box total. So again, I'm going to probably use every item in here except for this shampoo and conditioner bar set, but I'm going to give that to my dad. I'm sure he's going to use it all up. But everything else is something that I would typically like actually gravitate towards. So I love trying out new hydrating serums. Like case in point, I only had one left in my collection, so I'm going through these like water, like almost like water. And then I really like essences. Case in point, I have 6 of them open, and this exfoliator will be really great going into winter. And then these last 2 products here will be really nice as well. So Belief, I really like their creams and their eye creams, so happy to try another Aqua product. And then also the Saturday skin products I've tried in the past have been really good, and I'm always looking for an eye cream. And then the only one I'm a little bit iffy about is just because this is probably not a good color match for me at least, but it is the Brow Definer Pencil from True and Luscious. So let me know below what you got. Let me know if you chose the blonde color pencil because that was the only one left. And also let me know what you're hoping for in the December box. Actually no, November and December box, because I just realized it's not November yet. I'm getting ahead of myself. So thank you for watching, and I will talk to you again soon. Again, I will be filming right after this the Allure versus Boxy. So see you soon. Bye.